Hello friends, today in this video we are going to study about the angle between two lines. So friends, in this video we shall find the angle between two intersecting lines in terms of slopes of the lines. So student, let's start. See, here line 1 and line 2 are intersecting at a point this, okay, and the max angle between them is theta and phi, okay. So here you see two angles we are getting. One is theta, another is what? Phi. Okay? And as they are linear pair, theta and phi are linear pairs, so we can have theta plus phi is equal to 180 degree. Okay? Or you may write here phi. You can write pi, okay. So here phi is equal to pi minus theta, pi minus theta, okay. Or you may write pi is equal to 180 degree minus theta, okay. And both L1 and L2 are non-vertical lines. Why they are non-vertical lines? And you know that we want to write the angle in terms of slope. Okay? So, here if this line L1 is a vertical line, then slope of vertical line, you know what? Is not defined. Okay? So, both L1 and L2 are non-vertical lines. Okay? And let M1 and M2 are slopes of L1 and L2 lines respectively. So, what can we write? Slope of the line L1 is M1, that is equal to, you know, tan alpha 1. Here alpha 1 and alpha 2 are the angle of inclination of the line L1 and L2. Okay, that is the angle made by the line L1 with positive direction of x-axis. Positive direction of the x-axis is alpha 1. Here the angle made by the line L2 with the positive direction of x-axis is alpha 2, and they are the angle of inclination of the line L1 and L2 respectively. So, we can write, as we know, the slope of a line is the tangent of the angle of inclination. So, we can write M1 is equal to tan alpha 1 and M2 is equal to, that is slope of L2 is equal to tan alpha 2. Okay. Now, you know that exterior angle is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angle. Here you see in this triangle, this angle is an exterior angle. So alpha 2 is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. So interior and opposite angles is here alpha 1 and theta. Why theta? As you know, the angle between L1 and L2, this angle is theta and they are vertical angle. So this angle is equal to this angle. Okay, so here you see theta plus alpha 1 is equal to alpha 2. We can write. So you can write alpha 2 is equal to alpha 1 plus theta. Okay, or you may write alpha 2 minus alpha 1 is equal to theta. Okay, and you know that here theta is nothing but the angle between two intersecting lines, here L1 and L2. So we have to find theta value. Okay, so theta value is alpha 2 minus alpha 1, but we write theta in terms of the slope of the lines. So student, here you know that this theta. Here you know that we find suppose theta, tan theta. Tan theta is equal to what? You can write tan what? Alpha 2 minus alpha 1. Okay? And you know the formula of this, that is tan A minus B formula, you know. That is what? That is equal to, you know, tan alpha 2 minus tan alpha 1 by what? 1 plus tan alpha 2 into tan alpha 1. Okay, then tan theta is equal to, here you see tan alpha 2 is your M2. So you can write M2 minus tan alpha 1 is your M1. So you can write M1 by 1 plus here M2 into M1. Okay, so tan theta is equal to M2 minus M1 by 1 plus M2 into M1. Okay, if the angle theta is an acute angle, then this value will be positive. If the angle theta is an obtuse angle, then this value is negative. Okay, so you get this much. Here you know that the angle between the line L1 and L2 is theta, as well as a phi also, as well as phi. And phi value, you know, phi is equal to 180 degree minus theta. So we can write now tan phi is equal to what? Tan 180 degree minus theta. And you know the formula, that this is equal to minus tan theta. Okay? And this is equal to, you can write minus, and tan theta is nothing but this. So you can write here m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m2 into m1. Okay, from equation 1 we have the tan theta value. Tan theta, that is equal to this much. Here you can put. Okay. So here as it is negative, so phi value here you see is an obtuse angle. If angle between the two lines, that is L1 and L2, if it is an obtuse angle, then you get negative. If it is acute angle, then you get positive value. So we get the angle between two intersecting lines, both negative as well as positive. Also you may get 0. Okay? When you get 0? When they overlap, means angle between two lines, L1 and L2, fully overlapping. Okay? The same line, or they may parallel, when angle between them is 0 degree. Okay? That time you get 0 value also, because their slope is equal. If they are parallel, L1 and L2 lines are parallel, then angle between them is 0. Also you may say the slope of L1 and slope of L2 are equal. If they are equal, M1 is equal to M2, then their subtraction will be 0. Then you get 0 value. Okay? And tan 0 degree is equal to 0. So theta is 0. Understood? So in general we can write now. In general we can write what we can write? If the angle between two intersecting line is theta, okay, then what we have? Then we have tan theta. Tan theta is equal to what? You get both positive and negative. Okay? You may write M1 minus M2 also. Here you write M2 minus M1 by M1 M2. Okay? But here 1 plus m1 into m2 does not equal to 0, where if 1 plus m1 into m2 is equal to 0, then this will be what? Undefined, or it is not defined when 1 plus m1 into m2 is equal to 0. So 1 plus m1 into m2 is not equal to 0. This is the condition here. Okay? And you may write theta is equal to, you can write tan inverse of plus minus m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 into m2, where 1 plus m1 into m2 does not equal to 0. Okay? Or you may write down tan theta is equal to m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 into m2 modulus absolute values. So here, where 1 plus m1 into m2 does not equal to 0. You should remember this one. Okay? Now student, you see here two cases we get. One is when tan theta means here modulus of m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 into m2. Okay? So this value, this m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 into m2, this value may be positive, may be negative. So if this value is positive, then obviously this tan theta will be positive. Okay? And tan phi will be negative. Tan phi will be negative. Because when theta is acute angle, tan theta is positive. At the same time, phi is obtuse angle. So, if phi is an obtuse angle, then tan phi must be negative. So, which means here tan phi will be negative, which means theta will be acute angle, and phi will be obtuse angle. Understood? This is the first case when this is positive. Now, second case. Second case is this is L1 this is L2, and this angle, this is L2, okay, L2. This theta angle now became obtuse, and this phi is acute. In this case, you see, case 2, if M2 minus M1 by 1 plus M1 into M2 is negative, then this value will be negative. Tan theta will be negative. If this value is negative, then tan theta is negative. If tan theta is negative, then you get tan phi will be positive. Then this will be acute angle, and tan phi is equal to positive because phi is here an acute angle and theta is an obtuse angle in second case. Understood, student, about the angle between two intersecting lines. Okay, friends. Now, friends, we are going to solve a problem based on angle between two lines. Okay, student, here you see what is the question. If the angle between two lines is pi by 4, pi by 4 means here the angle is 45 degree. Okay, 45 degree, which is an acute angle. And the slope of one of the lines is 1 by 2. Then find the slope of the other lines. One thing is given, angle between two intersecting lines is given. Another is the slope of one line is given, that is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, then we have to find the slope of other lines. So, solution. Here what given? The angle between, let it be theta. Okay, which is angle between what? Between two lines. Theta is the angle between two lines given, and slope of one line, let be m1. M1 is slope of one line, that is equal to 1 by 2. Then find the slope of other line. So consider, let M2 be the slope of other line. Okay, and we know that tan theta is equal to what? M2 minus M1 by 1 plus M1 into M2. As the theta value is an acute angle, so tan theta is positive. So we may give this modulus. So it is positive. Okay. Now you put the value theta here, pi by 4. M2 we have to find out, and M1 is 1 by 2 given, and 1 plus what? M1 is 1 by 2 into M2. This means we have positive value. Okay, So here what you get, tan 45 degree, you know, 1 is equal to, it is positive, so you may write like this, 1 plus I2 M2. As it is positive, so you can write like this, cross multiplication, 1 plus 1 by 2 M2 is equal to M2 minus 1 by 2. Now you simplify it, okay? You take 1, or you take 1 minus 1 plus 1 by 2 left side, then M2 minus 1 by M2. This is equal to here 3, 2 plus 1, 3 by 2 is equal to here 1 by 2 M2. 1 by 2 M2. Okay? Write down. Then you come to this side. 3 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 M2. Then M2 is equal to 3. You get M2 is equal to 3, which is slope of other line. So friends, today this much. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video.